Mga kapuso, nandito ako ngayon sa Taft Avenue Corner, United Nations Avenue, kung saan ay may gutter deep na baha pa rin na nagpapahirap sa mga motorista rito. At meron din mga miyembro rito ng DPWH na nagtatanggal ng mga barado doon sa mga drainage system. At kanina rin, nakita rin natin si Mayor Isko Moreno na nag-iikot dito sa paligid mula doon sa Calao na nag-clearing operation siya at papunta rito sa may UN Avenue. Dito lang sa may katabing General Luna Street kung saan baha rin karugtong nitong nasa Taft Avenue rito. At pinadala siyang equipment mula sa Manila LGU para higupin o ipump yung mga baradong drainage dito sa may bahaging ito ng Taft Corner UN. Sa bahaging ito pa lang ay baha pa rin, gutter deep ang baha rito. Sa ngayon ay wala pa naman daw mga evacuees dito sa Maynila at patuloy na nag-iikot at nagmo-monitor ang Manila LGU ngayong merong masamang panahon. Ako si Nico Wahe para sa GMA Integrated News.
When disaster struck, we knew we couldn't just sit and watch. That email wasn't just a call for help. It was a call to humanity. We knew that showing up wasn't just about being there. It was about doing something. In that room, ideas flowed, plans took shape, not for recognition, not for reward, but because people needed us. And when people need us, we move together. We weren't just co-workers. We were community builders, problem solvers, and hearts ready to help. We came together as one team, planning, packing, and preparing. Every box carried more than supplies, it carried hope. We went where we were needed most. They had lost so much. We came not just with help, but with heart. We gave what we could, food, supplies, and most of all, our presence. Together, we started to rebuild, side by side with the community. In the face of calamity, we showed what it means to care, because every person counts.